Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Polisher Buffer is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your detailing arsenal. From removing swirl marks and scratches to bringing out a mirror-like shine, a polisher buffer can transform the look of your car, boat, or any other surface. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of polisher buffers, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Chemical Guy's TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit has everything you need to polish your car's paint, remove imperfections, and restore clarity to your headlights. It's the ultimate detailing kit for any vehicle, ensuring a flawless finish. Whether you're a beginner or a professional detailer, this dual-action polisher is perfect for paint correction and swirl removal. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and versatile for all your detailing needs. With its 700-watt motor and 8mm dual-action orbital throw, it delivers strong and consistent polishing results. The ergonomic grip and compact design minimize fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. This polisher handles single-stage paint, clear coats, and more. Its intuitive controls and durable build ensure long-term reliability for all your detailing applications. Surprise any car lover with this complete detailing system. Featuring powerful tools and premium pads, it ensures any vehicle stays flawless and protected, making it a perfect gift. What we like. This kit is a complete detailing solution, including everything you need to get started. It's designed for both beginners and professionals, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, comprehensive kit to keep your car looking its best, this is the one for you. What people say. This package comes with everything you see in the picture. The polisher buffer, a 4-pack of sail compounds and polishes, 4 ounces, and 3 pads. This is a complete system that gives you the ability to fix most car imperfections. Designed for both beginners and seasoned detailers, the TORQX polisher boasts a 680W motor and an 8mm dual-action orbital throw, providing consistent power and control. The variable speed settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. Number 4. LDHTHOPI 1600W76 Rotary Buffer Polisher. This powerful polisher is designed to make your car shine. It's perfect for removing scratches and oxidation, leaving your vehicle looking its best. Equipped with a robust 1600W motor, this polisher delivers consistent and efficient performance. It tackles tough tasks with ease, ensuring a durable and reliable operation. With 7 adjustable speeds, this polisher offers versatility for various applications. From delicate sanding to aggressive polishing, you can customize the speed to suit your needs. Designed with user comfort in mind, it can be used in 3 different ways. Whether you prefer the direct grip, D-handle, or side handle, you'll have maximum control during use. This polisher comes with a variety of pads for different needs. The pads effectively remove scratches and enhance shine, giving you a flawless finish. This polisher isn't just for cars, it's versatile enough for furniture, boats, and more. It saves you time and money by handling a variety of surfaces. What we like. The powerful motor and variable speed settings give you excellent control for various tasks. The multiple use methods ensure comfortable operation during extended use. If you have different surfaces to polish, from cars to boats, you should consider this versatile polisher. What people say. It's powerful, easy to handle, and leaves the car with an incredible shine. The speed control is great for different surfaces. It comes with several buffing pads and a storage bag so everything's staying in one place. Number 3. Makita 9237CX37 Polisher. This polisher features a variable speed dial and trigger. This allows the user to easily adjust the speed to match the specific task at hand. It ensures optimal performance for various applications. The constant speed control maintains a consistent speed, even when under load. This feature helps to ensure a uniform finish. It is designed to deliver reliable performance. The soft start feature provides smooth startups. This reduces the chance of polish, wax, or paste being flung off. This feature makes it easier to control. It has a rubberized loop handle and gear housing. This design enhances operator comfort and protects delicate surfaces. The design helps to prevent damage. The wire mesh intake covers prevent wool fibers from entering the motor. This helps to extend the life of the tool. It ensures the motor runs smoothly. What we like. The variable speed dial and trigger let you match the speed to the application. The constant speed control maintains a consistent performance under load. If you like a polisher that offers precision and control, this is a great choice. What people say. My favorite feature is the motor speed control keeps the wheel turning at same speed no matter how hard I lean into it. The Makita will keep going no matter what. The speed control is precise, regardless of pressure applied. These machines have a ton of torque. The soft start is predictable and gentle on the drive system. The new rubber armor around the head helps prevent dings and scratches on the surface you are buffing, and the screens for the motor vents keep wool and debris from entering the motor housing. Number 2. Milwaukee 2738-20 M18 Cordless Polisher. Introducing the Milwaukee 2738-20, a tool designed for peak performance. It harnesses the power to tackle the toughest jobs, providing the performance you need. This polisher utilizes M18 fuel technology. This means it delivers corded performance without the cord, giving you the freedom to move around the job site. The brushless motor ensures maximum runtime and efficiency. This allows the user to work longer and get more done with each charge. With variable speed control, it offers versatility for various applications. You can easily adjust the speed to match the task at hand. Experience the best of both worlds with this cordless polisher. It provides the power of a corded tool with the convenience of cordless operation. What we like. This cordless polisher delivers corded performance without the hassle of a cord. It gives you the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet. If you are looking for a powerful and portable polishing solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This machine is pretty light and easy to handle. The trigger has a lock button, which is nice. It is truly a slow start machine and doesn't jerk me when I'm in odd positions detailing boats. Number 1. SPTA R3 Mini Polisher Auto Detailing Kit. Introducing the SPTA R3 Mini Polisher, a compact powerhouse for all your detailing needs. This kit comes with everything you need to make your car shine. It's the perfect tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Inside, you'll find the Super Polish R3 Mini Polisher, a variety of polishing pads, backing pads, and an extension shaft. This comprehensive set ensures you have the right tools for any job. Plus, you'll get our excellent customer service. This polisher is designed for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze on all types of coat paints. It's ideal for cleaning and enhancing the shine of your car's finish. It is also perfect for auto detailing. The kit includes prime quality wool and sponge pads that are bendable, washable, and reusable. Different colored sponges offer varying levels of softness to meet all your polishing needs. The adhesive backing allows for quick and easy pad changes. Made from high-quality sponge and wool, the polishing pads are designed for repeated use. This polisher efficiently cuts and polishes through tough oxidation and scratches. It is compatible with both pneumatic and electric polishing machines. What we like. The mini size and multiple pads make it ideal for detail polishing in tight spaces. It's perfect for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze. If you like working on smaller areas and need precision, this is the perfect tool. What people say. I was pleasantly surprised at the operation of this polisher and the included accessories. It wasn't too loud and it felt smooth as it rotated, even with one of the extensions. I used a few of the included softer foam pads with no issues and the end result came out perfectly. I was able to fully remove all sanding marks with a perfect Class A gloss and no holograms. The SPTA Mini Polisher has a good weight and size to sand and polish small areas. The shaft extensions are a nice addition to the set, along with the numerous soft pads. Lot of accessories to get started polishing, plenty of torque, multiple speed options, strong durable materials used, easy activated and locking switch, 3 different backing plate sizes, 3 different extension sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.